Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So our little roofing project and deck finish up is at an end. CertainTeed XT25s in Moray black. Synthetic underlayment, shingle over ridge vent. New pipe boots, nothing fancy, but a whole lot better than the 20-year-old roof that was here. Maestro Macaria putting the finishing touches on a job well done. Ronaldo taking care of the zip boot. Nice low slope roof covering. Mule hide SASBS. Cap and base sheet. Great solution for low slope roofs. And that's it. So finish getting these pipes painted and the job is a wrap. As always, if we can help you out with your roofing problems or projects, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. CertainTeed Shingle Master Certified, Georgia State Licensed General Contractor, on-site job management, 10-year labor warranties. Crew's been with us since '07, so please give us a call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.